Hey, abomdledle manje bakhuluma ngama 4 million yena usayini.
Kusakhuluma ngo 1 million.
Hey mina hey mina ngisanwa ngemillion mina transfer fee yami million. So now Pralolo Mageza uza nga the same thing yamathambo.
Pirates.
Yena izolo ngibuya kwi-meeting yamaZulu.
AmaZulu mari yes.
Now lezi into njengomdlali aqeda ukukhuluma ziyenzakala very fast.
Ikhanda lizospina.
Manje yazini inyanga iphelile ne. Ngihole eMaritzburg. Ngihola nangapha.
Hayi wena uzodutshula wena uzoba
AmaZulu.
Ya ngiyahola.
awakadlali mari kumaZulu.
Angakadlali sengisayini pre-contract izolo ngisayinile klare lo uza ngamathambo ngicela ukuthola isalary yami 8,000 ngapha bathi no bazongibhadala
AmaZulu.
ngathi ngiyacova ngiwatha lama salary ngiwathatha simultaneous.
Who does that?
It's me. I did it. Yeah.
Apara couple track.
No couple track yani. Akunamjika la.
Shabala mkawo.
Amamela. Ngithathile uthaba.
Good day and a warm welcome to Sports Geek with Sibonela Ngcobo and
Lebudi Tlhake.
oh yes, this is the sports show where anything and everything that is a sports related goes. We talk your cricket, rugby, football, netball, mixed martial art, karate, boxing. Oh, laphana jobesho laphana ngaphesha kwenciba bethi bethunana awundibala ntoni na njenga laphana seke ngasho laphana we look at different sporting codes but this time around we'll be talking football laphana our today's guest he's one of the very world traveled players lapha sikhuluma ngeplayer laphana I believe he graduated laphana at the School of Excellence that is based here in Johannesburg, Kempton Park Payana that is School of Excellence where all stars were produced laphana ukugijimile nakhona laphana kwiqembu lakhona la Alex United waphinde wagijima nakhona laphana kwiThembisa Classic of which later on it was bought by Maritzburg United kanti uthe mayifika laphana kuMaritzburg United sekumele ngabe instead of coming back la go Gauteng or go Northwest what white thinking KZN seems to be doing pretty well for me wasuka laphana kuMaritzburg United wathi naye across town walaphana eThekwini Gagasini kwelika Banana wafika wangena laphana in the Royal team wangena laphana kuma AmaZulu FC usuthu uMabhesha Nkwalinywana ehlazana umabona abulawa bafana basambelebeleni indlu kaMandlakazi ugijimileke laphana kulona usuthu oluMabhesha Nkone mayesuka lapho wabesethi ke yazini ngiqedile ke manje ngeNatal ngiyogcwalisela the clever Tsasowethu wangena laphana eSoweto wafika wathi khalakasha wangena laphana kwindoda emnyama Orlando Pirates laphana ezikamakepoli zakepoli umhlaba kaMasipala zawushiya uMapoketwane ugijimile nakhona ke laphana kuyona iOrlando Pirates sikhuluma ngayo laphana insizwa engasho nje ngithi ladies and gentlemen help me welcome Bongani Ashibe Butisa
Baba Buthi
Wasathi ukhona ukuthi okay ukhuluma ngoba lo muntu awuzakhona ukuthi no ayisakhuluma ngomunye umuntu akabi mina
hayi ngiyakholwa
Wala Bible ntwana yakhugulo uyabona white card.
ya no ngiyakholwa ngijabulela ukuba khona la e-studio namhlanje.
Akubonga thina Butisa ukuthi sinikeze ithuba lokuthi sizoba nani sibathi ngezidlula indliwano mlomo esithi ukhulumisana sizokuthi indoda yobani ukwazi ukuchaza nama viewers nokuthi ezikhipha njengamanje wenzani what are you all about of late Lebza
Mina manje yimi manje
uLebza
Esingasimushi isikhathi laphana let's dive let's cut down to the chase Bongs abantu yes bakwazi lapha nokugijima kwendoda eminyama ugijima lapha eThekwini bakwazi lapha ngiyacabanga ema hostela lapha aseThekwini lapha ko Thembalihle ko Duffs Road ko 17 eMlazi hostel i-support base yamaZulu is big lapho but sazofika la bakwazi ucashiwe kwamasho esinqawini sazofika lapho kodwa before sifika lapho akuqale nje ukuthi kusindlalele i-foundation yana just get to tell us ukuthi uBongani Cashile where was he born and bred so that umuntu akhona ukwazi mhlawumbe abantu abangazi ukuthi mhlawumbe nje usuka ezonini yakho ukuthi mhlawumbe uBongani Cashile umkhaya wami nje
yeah uBongani Cashile wazalelwe
Potchefstroom that's northwest
yes northwest ila ngibuya khona ngizala abantu yakwethu bomama ibuya eNatal bese
what about eNatal akho
eMsinga
eMsinga okay
yeah eMsinga ngempela
uma wakho usuka lapho
yeah usuka lapho ke and then bese ke ubaba ungizalayo ke igasi lami nethambo lakithi ubuya le ekudeni kakhulu man ubuya le Kurumane
that's Northern Cape
yo ngeke tema lawo
yeah
bongise untawile
bahlangana northwest
bahlangana eNorthwest
kodwa mining
khona lapho
ngakhona not
yeah
khona mining kuka Potche Kurumane
no ubaba waqhamuka eNorthwest wasebenza la eVaal Reefs emamayini so ukuhlangana kwabo kwakune inkonzo lapha elinye ikhehla bathi usosibo mangizwela kahle yeah zandandanana khona lapho
enkonzweni
azathi ukuphumana khona ukusuka lapho sacala zachumana ke lapho ke
VR
yeah kwaba nje usicalo nje saba lapho bese ke yeah kuyaqhubeka
ntwana matlosana shapha ntwana matlosana yazi VR VR mina iVaal Reefs
yeah
Vaal Reefs
manje ngiyakubona ukuthi
I was lost me no so
yeah so kwaba ukuthi ke ubaba uyasuka ke ngalapho uyohlala ePotchefstroom eIkageng bese ke kuba nezingane kuba nomshado kanjalo kwaqhubeka ya
njengoba thina sesimazi lapha uBongani Cashile sesimbona lapha sevela lapha yonke indawo awusitshela nje ukuthi your professional breakthrough how did it come about nje ugcine uzibona ukuthi now I am a professional player signing that professional contract how did it come about bekuyiphi i-team and ufike kanjani lapho ukuthi ukhona ukusecure your first professional contract
okay kwakuyithembisa classic ngiyakhumbula sasiceda ukuwina ama playoffs wemvela Mphanda that was first division the sponsor was Mvela Mphanda
yebo Tokyo Sexwale that
yes
was Tokyo Sexwale yes
yebo so saphuthelwa ukuthola i-automatic promotion to
the first to the PSL yes
and then we made it through ama playoffs that was Tembisa Classic and then after a month siceda nje ukuthola i-promotion we were told ukuthi i-team idayiselwe ma-respect
Tembisa Classic
yeah Tembisa Classic
you gained the promotion
yes.
to the elite league
yes
jiki your team is sold
just after a few weeks i-status sidayisiwe not ukuthi siyadayiswa sidayiselwe ma-respect United and then we must relocate at least kodwa sidlalile imidlalo enga-83 ngaphambi kokuthi sizohamba yes
okay bongse arethi sonja areqale la uyabona
Yeah.
sithi ko creamy areqale la
yeah
ko Potche awadlala ipoqo nix
engilidlalile ibhoqo I played ukucala kwami I played for a team called Tawana
aspect
no not Alspec I will tell you the story of Alspec Tawana how did it came about I played for a team called Tawana
sure
Now that team, the founder of the team, nasa hlola na le financial mass, and then the team changed. Wabona, ya change ya ba le lebitso le leng, which was Motherwell. The very same team changed again. Some mover, Sayoba All Stars. But with
It's still-
same
still in
players,
Northwest.
same coach, same players, some mover, Sabai All Stars.
Okay.
Yeah, the All Stars that brought about like Itaba, Tabam Mulife, yeah, all those guys. Ikacheng All Stars.
The league le game league fe.
Oh, we played the LFA, but when we were playing ama juniors, when the team registered, and then Mina, I came this side. So I could not play with the team when it was playing ko LFA.
Okay.
Yeah, I came this side and I was spotted. I came here and a coach that was coaching the very same team, Men Moteo.
Okay.
Yes.
So atla lwena ka iso.
We came to a school called where Pito was, Panimulokwan.
Okay.
Yeah, School of Excellence. To Sizela, but the name of the school now you changed. Is Sport Asia, and then I went to Super Sport under Ukwanelo Kopo.
Still development.
Yeah, still development. And then when I got there, I met Amachita Bafana Nabu, Wayne Sunderland.
The goalkeeper.
Yeah, the goalkeeper.
The
It was
goalkeeper.
part of us, yeah.
Go Super Sport.
Yeah, go Super Sport.
Super Sport.
Yeah,
Ni
Super
Ntwana.
Sport. Yeah, see Ntwana.
Was he already doing
No,
Yeah, I
le
think-
nto le black magic
that
ngibona
black magic?
manje.
Yeah, that was before he started doing the
Yeah,
magic
no,
thing.
the black magic ngibone manje
Seko
manje.
Platinum Stars.
Mare
Yeah.
gcine mphandla ke. Gcine mphandla. Asaka saboni. Zakulimaza ipolitiki.
So nabo bonke nabo Sunderlands lapho kule.
Yeah, I was namajita abo Daniel van Wyk, abo Itumeleng Sekwale. Yeah, abo Ferreira, China bo Itumelo Rapo.
Yes.
Yeah, there was a cream there.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah.
So nisescale no.
Yeah,
Development.
Yeah, development useskela, and then afterwards kufika le into ukuthi during ama school holidays sinokuvakacha namajita. Thola ukuthi amajita ahlala around. Mina I did not like going back home, especially ngama ngi-festive or ngama yeah. Yeah.
Xhosa bathi ubucheap.
No,
Ubucheapile.
no, cheap. I always said mina nginegazi le-GP, even though I've gone. Yeah, no, but I'm proud of where I come from.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I'm proud of where I come from. I'm not saying otherwise about where I'm coming from. No,
It's just the
yeah, it's just that.
it's just the as marnet.
Sharp.
Okay, I guess we're laphana ni excited
Yeah.
and the promotion to the Elite League as Tembisa Classic.
Classic, yeah.
I assume you signed
Yeah, your contract
Contract.
already was there.
my contract wayesekhona
Yeah,
lapho.
yeah.
So manje makuthiwa then wake up the next morning Tembisa out with Tembisa Classic, in with Maritzburg United. Where did that leave the contractual obligations and everything? Don't forget that Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlage is proudly brought to you by Dihlage Construction and Plant Hire, so as Dihlage Cash Loans. And don't forget, if your bank balance is not bank balancing too well, to give them a call on 073-956-8647. And Lapana Monas, Lapana Eating was a construction and plant hire, Lapano Tinga about TLP, Vaterkan, excavators, you name it, you know exactly what to do. Always give them a call on the very same number, which is 073-956-8647. While you're still watching a Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share the link. Make the circle bigger.
Before that, Putwam, we were not addressed about it. Yabona.
As players.
We saw it with social media. And our management, some members of board members, the team, sabona nje kumabonakude. And sibuye ejimini ekuseni.
And nje
yeah, and then management, some of the management members are there on television. And then Robert Marawa is ubuza zonke lezi zinto ukuthi all along kanti you were not prepared ukuthi uyabona you can get sponsors and whatnot, and already the team is sold. So what will happen with our players that just promoted the team? It was really frustrating. And then a day after, we were called to office, and then we were addressed about the matter. Uyazi now mfethu ezinye izinto zizokushoka, and then fune ku-adjust from there, and then ngapha soqala igame yokuqala udlalile, you just played the match.
Okay.
That's Tembisa Classic.
Yeah, and then this week futhi uyadlala futhi during the week, and uyadlala futhi weekend. Yabona, so we were told on Monday we are playing on Wednesday, and then fune kutravel futhi. So azange ingene kahle, mina azange ngibone ngathi into eserious, ngacabanga ukuthi ijoke.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because of nidlala ngayo.
Yeah.
Libito
And it's serious.
Tembisa Classic.
Mina ngathi lento until such time when we were addressed about the matter. Then bese kuyiqala kuyikhane manje isinka in.
It's official now.
It's official now.
So I buy from Tembisa Classic. Yeah, guy.
Obviously KZN.
Maritzburg United.
United.
So ama-contract wenu kwathiwani ngawo?
Hot money. Yeah, that's where kwaba nenkinga ke. Inkinga kwaba ukuthi there's a clause that says if you buy a franchise, you must also buy
Everything.
Everything, yes.
uyangithola. And then we are relocating now.
Tembisa.
At Tembisa, from Ejozi, I'm only 100 km away from home.
Yes.
Yabona, and ngiyazi ukuthi ngimanage kanjani maybe isalary yami. I contribute this much edladleni, and then for ama traveling wami probably I'm going once a month or twice. Yabona, depending ukuthi kunama emergency angakanani. And then relocation KZN now it's another distance. Yabona, mileage manje ya change. And then thereafter I'm going with the same contract. Yabona, the problem yaqala lapho. Now I'm going with the same contract, but we never agreed.
Logistics.
Because mina contract yami, I'm disclosing that even khona manje ukuthi I had it lost. I signed the contract that says if any team is interested in my services while I'm playing for a Tembisa Classic, and Tembisa Classic doesn't give me signing on fee after 6 months, then I'm eligible to go for free. Yeah. That's how I got to Mazulu.
Well, now you was I get it according to whatever is happening now. When you guys actually you have to go to Maritzburg.
Yeah.
But next mababoni baskela kwashapa.
No, we signed the contract. We signed the contract and the clause, and then after I played for Maritzburg.
Sure.
And I waited for
Signing
opportunity
to expire.
Yeah, it is a opportunity.
Lupoluki.
Yeah, now loophole. Yeah, mina zangibheka into eziningi. Mina ngizozenzela iprofile la. Mina ibhola ngizolidlala la. But if kungafika abantu bathi sila
I-contract yakho.
hayi mina ngiyazihambela because ngiphethe icopy ngisikhuluma kanjalo. Nayi icopy.
Manje this is not fine print, ne? Big bold letters.
Yes.
Marnet.
Umzala weteam naye. Mamela usayinile lapha enzansi nami ngisayinile kune witness lapha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Box.
Serious.
Yeah, ne.
Serious. And sadla we played for a season as Maritzburg.
As Maritzburg United, yes.
and then ngeza ke ekhaya. I remember bekudlala i-World Cup. I think it was in Germany. No? There's a guy called Tammy angazi. I forgot his name yakhe. But he's an agent. He came
So that was 2006, I suppose.
no 2005.
2005.
2005.
2006.
2005.
205.
Oh, 2005.
Yeah, and then Tammy was like Tammy Kulu.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Kulu was at mfethu Chiefs. Ngathi
That time,
ngisema respect.
Maritzburg United.
Yeah, wathi i-Chiefs. Athi Hotman wathi i-Chiefs. Ngathi no, sengizobona ngesikhathi. Mase kwenzakala wathi no ungawari ngizokufonela. So into eyenzakale is that masizoya kwi-pre-season.
Maritzburg United.
Yeah, for the second season.
Yes.
Kwashona ubaba uChabedi lo weSwalo.
Swallows, yes. Pine Chabet.
Yeah, makushona ubaba uChabedi. Now all these giant lezala eMzansi zebhola ezile ziyobukela iWorld Cup. Funeke zize zizonqaba icolleague.
Yes.
So mina mangisedladleni ngithola ikhole. But hayi ngoBrathami ngenye iHotmana. I won't even mention his name. Athi mina I know amathambo. Ayakufuna.
Orlando Pirates.
Hayi. Ngathi no asiyeke leyo to mina ngibuyela le kuma respect. Yeah, because I'll be confused. Kuzomunye ungitshela ngabanye, kuzomunye ungitshela ngabanye. Mangifika kwi pre-season eMaritzburg lo uCostadin Papik uyangadvise ukuthi ngihambe ethimini.
Maritzburg United.
Yeah.
Papichu coaches.
Yeah, because bekaphuma ku-Pirates.
Pirates, yes.
Weza azojoin iMaritzburg. And then wangicela mfethu, uyazi ngicelani. Don't think of going. Yabo. So ngiyazibuza nomuntu why akhuluma kanje? Or maybe kukhe kwaba nabantu aba-inquire.
Fantasy.
Yeah, yabona aba-inquire ngami ne-contract yami ofisini probably kunjalo, but let me lay low and play football. And then we went on a pre-season for almost a month. Sadlala amanye ama-friendly. Later on ngaye ofisini ke ngayokokota lapha ngabatshela ngathi hayi mina kuneteam engifunayo, which was Benoni United.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, kuneteam engifunayo and i-contract engiyisayinile ithi.
Sure.
Yeah, and contract yeBenoni beyisharp. So Mr. Farouk Kadodio
Yeah, yes.
wathi kimi no man ungawari boy, sizoyikhuluma. Ngathi no mina ngisafuna ukukhuluma. Yeah, mina ngiso sengicalculate zonke lezi zinto bengicomplaina ngazo, so I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngifuna nje ukuthi bangayi-clearance ngizivayele. I know it could not materialize, and then I went back home. Mangisekhaya ubaba uNdlovu ubusy usazama ukuxhumana nabantu beMaritzburg lo weBenoni, and then ngapha nami ukukhuluma nami mina bengisajima namajita la eKasi, because amanye amajita lapha neteamini lebe sisuka kuyo lapha eKasi bebadlala boma ABC Motsepe first division kanjalo yabo.
Yes.
So whenever usedladleni uyazi ukuthi kunala u-exercise akhona.
Sure.
Yeah, so ngaya ngi-exercise namajita sharp ekuseni ngizenzela ama-extras wami. Hayi man, thema ngifike edladleni bengina about 3 weeks ngisedladleni, and then mangifike edladleni ngithola i-miss call 031.
Tegwini.
Yeah, i-landline le. Yeah, mangifika ngithi hayi man, maybe awuthi ngizama ukufona, yabona. Ngizama ukufona noma ngiyazwa no kukhuluma umunye usisi, so athi no man ubaba uhlophe kuye bekafona. kuse officeini lamaZulu la. Uthi okay no ku right ke mama. Athi no uzokufonela usemithinini uzokufonela sharp. Ababuhlophe bangifonela. Same day wangifonela saxoxa wathi kimi yekela into ezibhaya mfana ngithi. Ngibhukhela iflight kusasa ulende. Uzojima don't worry about abantu bema-Respect.
Babuhlophe uyiboss yamaZulu.
Bekuyi-CEO.
Oh, CEO yamaZulu.
Ubaba uSokhela uye uDr. Sokhela. Yeah. And then serious ngaflya ngaya eThekwini sahlala ke and then masihleli lapho okay bangifake ehotel for accommodation and then the next day weza zongicollect saya ku meeting ema-Respect mina naye. Masifika lapha meeting but discuss yonke into and then they finalized with no Maritzburg is selling me out nge-1,000,000.
To amaZulu.
Yeah, by that time nge-1,000,000. Hey, abomdledle manje bakhuluma ngama 4,000,000 yena usayini
Sekhuluma ngo-1,000,000.
hey mina hey mina ngisanwa nge-1,000,000 mina transfer fee yami 1,000,000 sekuvele linye ihotmani nje from nowhere but uLord Wisithole. But how do I know Lord Wisithole? Ngimaze ngoDavid Magale. I was playing alongside he's my colleague David Magale.
Sure.
David Magale came was introduced kule hotman mina noMpho Rashete because ku classic besiso yabona besisonke besiphila sonke besishare sonke and uMpho Rashete was there was Locus captain mina was the assistant captain. So we also had riding committee ama players there so sonke besiseva si3 kule committee yabona ya so friendship yethu nje yakhula from lapho namachita beshare nezinto ezideep so uPralolo wafika ngisase busy ngendaba zama transfer fee lapha wafika uPralolo muna yamani ngibatla ubona ya Pralolo man amajita by then abasekho ke kuma-Respect nabo bavayile baku-Pirate uRashete no Magale boy-2 bavayile so I'm the only force yabo esele la e-KZN so now uPralolo Makeza uza ngade same thing yamathambo
Pirates.
yena izolo ngibuya kwi-meeting yamaZulu
AmaZulu, yes.
now lezi into njengomdlali aceda ukukhuluma ziyenzakala very fast
Ikhanda lizospina.
manje yazini inyanga iphelile ne ngihole ema-Respect ngihola nangapha manje
Hayi wena uzodutshula wena uzobula.
Ngiyahola
Awakadlali mari kumaZulu.
angakadlali sengisayine i-pre-contract izolo ngisayinile klare lo uza ngamathambo ngiceda ukuthola isalary yami ye-8,000 ngapha bathi no bazongibhadala
AmaZulu.
ngathi ngiyacova
Yenzofana bancane nina. How can you take 2 salaries?
Hayi Knoxman. Amadecimal wenza wathana.
ngiwathatha lama salary ngiwathatha simultaneous.
Who does that?
It's me. I did it. Yeah.
Apart couple track.
No couple track yani. Akunamjika la.
Hlabela mkama.
Amamela. Ngithathile uthaba ngapha nangapha. Manje iproblem ile ngwenya le uPralolo. Ubaba uHlophe is not aware ukuthi I'm consulting nomzala
For the possible Pirates move.
yeah mara manje iproblem yami ukuthi uSuthu
Yes.
umkhulu wami usupporta
Loan.
yabona
Yeah.
uthanda uSuthu olumabhesha nkona My team yasekhaya ke le.
Usuthi.
La ngisekhaya ke la. Nalezi ziyangithanda qashiwe eyakithi le yabo. But the problem is clearance
From Maritzburg.
from Maritzburg to Usuthu. Now funeke kube ne exchange. Now another challenge ukuthi ubaba uSokhela remember wa purchase le team ngama progress payment. Hey, of which before besingayi understand lento besicabanga ukuthi izinto ziyenziwa nje isizulu bese kuyaphela yabo. Kanti abantu ba safeguarda nezinye izinto yabo. Uke wakhipha ngazi something 2 million kuqala ithiwe ibought iDynamos angithi.
Yes.
I-team yaphuma eLimpopo yaya eKZN. And then later i-team libe liyadlala amajita bathola ama-signing on fee. But amasalary ayaphuma uyabona. On the other hand ubaba uSokhela akakabhadali ibalance yonke
Yokuthenga identity.
iyabona i-team. Now that thing on its own ya influence i-move yami to iPirates.
Sure.
Because ngibona i-frustration yamajita yama-signing fee. But amasalary wona bewangena besihlala sharp besidla sharp bengena problem.
But awudlali.
Yeah, but angidlali. In the meantime ngiyabona i-signing fee angeke ngiyithole la. Yabo but bekunelinye uHotman uShoes Muswe. Elia Hotman be petty driver.
John Shoes Mshiwe.
Hotman, I'm always saying that. Elia Hotman be petty driver. Shuthi.
Where go Amazulu?
Yeah.
Amazulu.
Yeah, kuMazulu. Ukhumbula ukuthi uShoes has played onke lama division. He has won things as a professional footballer and an international someone. Now, if uShoes can share everything esidlayo nathi, it means kuna something akayibonile. So I stayed for 6 months because of naile ngwenya le inathi. Yabona?
I-clearance ayakafiki that.
I-clearance akakafiki
Basically meaning awudlali.
At times ngiyavaya ngiyaboMaritzburg ngiyobona amajita. At times ngiyatempteka ukuthi okay awuthi ngiye eMaritzburg ngifike ngikhulume nechairman once ngibuyele eteamini ngidlale. Because senginonile ngiwe ya 36. It's like ngikhola mahala ngidlala ama-friendly kuphela. Uyabona ngiba frustrated amajita ayadlala bayabizwa boma-national team kanjani. Uyabona mina ngiyakhawatheka yabo. And then I ended up saying eish okwenzekile but ithi nje ngiyeke indaba yeMaritzburg nale clearance uPralolo wayithatha to another level. And then one advise ukuthi no uzothola illegal rep, we must take it that route. And then ba submit ba inquire nge contract yami la because iMaritzburg beyinqaba ngokuthi ikhophe engiyiphethe ayifani nale bayiphethe yabo. So remember mawusayina icontract
Yes.
kunama page ayi3 lapha. Enye iPSL enye yabona enye iclient yabo. Yeah. And then kanti lese PSL ifana nale ngiyiphethe. I-dispute yaqala. Yeah, kwaqala i-dispute.
Arbitration.
Yeah. DRC.
So iyagcina phi ke lo because outcome, what was the final outcome?
The final outcome verdict yathi I'm a free agent.
To join any team of your choice.
Any team of my choice. And ngaleso sikhathi ngale ngihole 6 months yonke.
KwaMazulu.
KwaMazulu.
Udlali.
Angidlali.
Udla imali yabo fela.
No, angidli imali yabo ngiyasebenza ngigcoka i-kit yabo for ama-training session. Ngidlala ama-friendly matches, ngiyalimala ngithola ama-knocks, ngiyasebenza.
So wayithola ke ilokho your clearance.
Yeah, ngayithola i-clearance yami and then mangithola i-clearance yami kanti lezi zamathambo
Pirates.
zime ngaphandle.
waiting for the outcome.
Yeah, i-outcome yaphuma ngo-2.
In the afternoon.
Yeah, after nje ilunch ye-DRC aphuma. Waqeda ukuphuma nje uBralolo. What no, ngicela ukukhuluma neclient yami. Ayabongani mamela. Ubaba uhlophe usilindile lapha ngaphandle. That's number 1. Number 2, amajita we-Orlando Pirates balinde i-clearance la ngaphandle. So siyenza kanjani yonke?
Ubaba Mhlophe ukulindile to take you back to Osotho, ne?
Lima office phela guys.
Sise PSL la ePark Town.
Ja.
Town.
I think into zami nomdledle cishe zafanelana.
Zizeke isigubhukane.
Cishe mfowethu yazi nafandaga nisibizanga ngemistake. Kunama similarities.
Usotho lukhona la iPirates ikhona la. Operation Choose My Kettle.
Ithi ngikulethe closer. Sihleli ngapha for i-dispute. Ngaphandle amathima ngaphandle.
Zasho
Alinde
amaphepha
outcome.
akhala moya. Abethu umoya.
Ayi-3. iMaritzburg iyazilwela ngeproperty yabo. AmaZulu balwela i-investment yabo.
Sebekhokhe 6 months.
iPirates ifuna i-product. Angazi niyayithola le
3-in-1.
Exactly.
3-in-1. Now mina ngithi kuBralo ilula lento Bralo. Ayisekho into engihlanganisa neMaritzburg. Bangidile ngesizathu khona manje bheka ukuthi nginjani. What we must actually do, we must just repay abantu bamaZulu imali yabo yonke le kade bengibhadala. And then mina ngizimuvele ngizele kuPirates.
Ja.
Kanjalo nje.
Bongani. Bongani qashiwe.
Just please ndoda. Dlala
Bongani
puzzle.
qashiwe.
Okay, ithi ngibuza if bekuwe ecathulweni zami bewuzoyenza
Ah, ndoda I go for the highest bid. Phala.
Exactly.
So iloyalty Nix amaZulu washo.
Loyalty for
kanjalo.
No, ngisebenzile kumaZulu, ngisebenze 6 months.
6 months.
Right, bangibhadele and then they will be repaid. It's fine, abaluzanga next.
Business. It's
Yeah,
not
but
personal.
you will be repaid. Umuntu makakhokhela imali yakho back, it means awuluzanga
Right.
next.
Fairness.
So then amaZulu asal then ke waya Mayfair Street.
Yeah,
Pirates.
ngaya laphana yo. Hayi.
Angisho ungakhohle. Ubongise uthini ndoda uthe Jozi GP. Ikhaya.
He's GP is him.
Uyakuthola.
So it was a given ukuthi iDurban cannot compete neJoburg when it comes to space nine.
Not really. I've played for a team at KZN. I also played for Usuthu, Bengilthanda. I further went quick career even in my profile. I played for one of the biggest team in South Africa, which is African Wanderers. I also played for Abaqulus.
It was Vusumkis who was the boss. Was it
No,
Vusumkis?
ubaba umlaba the time azama ukuyivuselela.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Also Vusumkis was no more.
Yeah. Bo. So KZN ngisebenzile KZN.
So mawuza ke la kwiPirates usayina kuphi? Usayina lapha e18 after the DRC and what oh nihlangana ngakusasa
No, after leyo nto leyo lo mhlangano ukhumbule nami ngijabulile, I'm a free man. Impahla zami izise KZN.
Yeah.
First and first.
Accommodation yamaZulu.
Funeke ngilande into zami le. And I'm taking a flight yango-6 ntambama.
Uba ubhuka lo flight.
No, agent.
Oh, okay.
And then meeting wami in the Pirates is scheduled for kusasa ngo-8 la eSandton eFishmonger.
Lokufaka ekotini.
Yeah, no, ngihlangana ne-number 1 ma.
Yo.
Chairman himself.
Yeah, and then sizodiscussa nje ama-terms and conditions we-contract and then I will sign ngolesithathu. So izinto zonke ziyenzakala Monday, Tuesday I must be back in Jozi and then Wednesday I'm signing my contract yami ne-Pirates. manje i-flop ukuthi masiphuma siya e-airport Farouk Kadodi asigibela iflight e-1 manje.
I can imagine the tension. I can.
Siyamamela sisonke.
Niyaxoxa.
Si-check-a
Ukuthi Harrison Phume hearing no.
si-check-a in sonke. uPeter.
Niyakhulumisana mara or anikhulumisa?
Hayi ukhuluma nalengwenye. Okay, Puti, at times there will be no point for you ukuthi uhesitate umuntu ukuthi ahambe makafuna ukuhamba.
Exactly.
He will never give you into ojwayele, into uyijwayele from esayidini lakhe. When someone is fed up, is fed up. And kunezinto ezokwenza fed up. Yazi lento is generic. If you are unhappy about something and you deciding ukuthi awuthingivai, believe you me, you are fed up.
So mafika lapha kwi-Orlando Pirates, how did the whole thing, personal terms go about? Did you get any signing on fee and stuff as compared to your previous players?
First thing first, yizo izinto bezingidina.
With no signing on fee? Kulama previous players?
Ngilidlale hard out. And ngidlale ibhola ngoba ngiyalithanda. Ngidlala ibhola because I'm gifted. Mamela Hotman, akekho umuntu ozodlala ibhola angalithandi. Italent. Into bengidina ngalama team lawo. Engigcine sengiwashiya, it's because of signing fee. Abantu bayakhula, bakhulisa imizi yasemakibo, bathenga imoto, impilo yaqhubeka. Mina I'm still seated ngeloyalty. Ngifaka nearmband ngaleso sikhathi.
Captain, ana signing on fee?
Wes ngihola i-7,000.
Kunama players who are not captain, possibly bahola more.
I-experience counts. Angeke ngihola imali elingana nemali kaSteve Lekweliya eMaritzburg because he's an Olympian. He's a national team asset. And then he has been long with elite football. Now, him who promoted the team, saying season campaign manje. Angisase intwana encane.
Your profile has changed.
Yabona ngiyak-approach kahle ngomoya omuhle kaNkulunkulu. I'm advising you, look at my contract. It says 1, 2, 3. When uyancaba uyangidelela ukuqala. Mina ngize kahle kuwe wena uyangidelela. Kahle awusadeleli mina manje sewudelela le gift le. Udayi. Ya idaba.
Ubongs beslime. Ntana ngalo le paper figure signing on
ama exit clause stuff.
Manje masocala uthi I'll give you 50,000 signing fee for a season. And then I'll do increment 15,000. Now, multi 50,000 signing fee for me now. And then, ukhumbule, everything every year, ama rates are cooler with 2-3%. Now, if you're giving me the same signing fee of 50,000 for 3 years, 50-50, 115 to fune kunginikeza yona per season. Not we divide. And umuntu that is advising that is not even each person in your team. I don't know who to contribute and umuntu. Mangimpeka so ngathi ngamtshela wangaphumi ngomnyango ngisale nechairman. Yeah, but because the chairman doesn't have a problem. I never had a problem with chairman here riding Maritzburg. In fact, I was delighted one day Angbiza we meeting when the team was not doing well. The very same season before Ngizovai. Here's what transpired. They came up with a strategy, a bonus structure. And then on that bonus structure, my team, my winner, it's 10 grand a win. Ne? and then he draw 5,000, and then he lose, it's nothing. And we deliberated that because I also influenced. They proposed the amount, and then mina ngakhuluma ama-figures. No, let's take it to 10,000. They were willing. So umuntu ongavumelana nawe aphethe ownership, wena uphethe nje iskill, bese uvumelana nawe, wena uphethe amasosha, bese kuza nje umuntu nje oletha umlomo. Yabona bengidina yilezo zinto. And
Ugenza mediator wasenya jabjabo. Oh,
So manje masukhona laphana kwi-Pirates ke kwafika kwi-Pirates wabathola abo signing on fee. Who was the coach at the time? Pirates.
sorry.
So-
Mina ku-Pirates.
Mawufika.
Mina ku-Pirates ngithole coach ku-Micho.
Yeah.
Yeah, uMicho. Ngimthole kuyi-coach la.
So Mawufika, did he give you a game time or did you struggle to break into the team?
First match ngidlale maybe sengina 2 months teaming. But 2 months, okay, no, a month, because I signed end of in November. And then already team bezodlala ama game ay3
for December.
for December, and then bangifaka kwi program because ngifike kwi Pirates nginonile. Yeah, benginonile. And then bangifaka kwi program
To get you to lose weight.
yeah, first match bangahlala ebenchini besidlala le game ni la bengena ama supporter khona ne. Yeah, because yeah, ama supporter bakhe ba vandalize somewhere angazi. And then the second match I was dlala eBloemfontein wangifaka Gotman. Yeah, wangifaka.
Wenza into ka-1.
Yeah. Eish. Yeah, no. Yeah, the rest is history.
Wadlala Orlando Pirates, you made a name for yourself. Surely your profile yashintsha altogether. So now you became the household name, especially in as far as the Orlando Pirates faithfuls are concerned. How much did you handle that whole transition? Now you are the big deal with team of Orlando Pirates' magnitude.
Yo. But there's ezinye izinto, they are never easy because into yokuqala nje after that transition, your frustration of not playing for quite some time, while you were at your peak, ufune ukuqala uzilungise engqondweni.
Sure.
Because now the lifestyle is changing, and it change setup lo kuyo. And then later ke uthola amajita abafana nabo ama-Hotman abulakhi yeah abosiyema abayenza ukuthi umuntu understand i-culture ye-team. And amajita that internationals that are often called kuma-national teams wabo yabo. So I would say it was never easy, but ama colleagues bayenza ibe simple lento yabona ngokungiwelcome ngoku-ensure ukuthi nami nya contribute as much as nabo ba contribute and ba understand ama dynamics we team.
You say our colleagues welcome. I guess laba welcome. They made you feel at home, and I assume with lo laba bakwamukelile you became close buddies. Can you just tell us who were the impintshi zakho, your close buddies laba njengoba usho welcome ngoba lezo impintshi lezo enaniskima nazo
Imikhuba yaseDubai.
when was so who are those guys about welcome, those close lezo impintshi leso scheme leso?
Loko ukuwelcome kahle it's a tradition ebholweni. You'll be welcomed by a captain.
Yeah,
The announcement will be done when we gather ngesikhathi lesana sizo.
yeah, that's formal thing.
Yeah.
I'm talking about settling down. I'm talking about settling down. Don't angibuza like ama press conference. Ngibuza ama settling down. Impintshi like that made you feel in that he said that
Thing. I kept saying it.
le impintshi zakwenza ukuthi feel at home. I mean, to not miss your case and to not miss your Maritzburg United, your Tembisa Classic days, your Amazulu days. Abakwenza feel at home at Mayfair.
Ubongza mabe Brian. Ubrian iswa i-captain.
i-captain ipresswa i-coach
Unosho njani?
ngiceda kudla i-Chiefs kwisothi uDav no-Brian ne-coach.
Yazi Khotman, mina I'm a socialist. And I will tell you one thing, one thing engibelieve kuyo. If I find myself in a space now, ngakujwayelanga that much, I will utilize leso sikhathi leso ukuthi ngijwayele. So I never had abantu engithi lona uyangithola. Yeah, I always wanted to know uIno. I always wanted to know uSenzo, uWalaza. I always wanted to know uTeko, uMakhanya, uCheese, because bengihlezi nginoChenene.
Okay.
Yabona, no le no.
Mabenito.
Yeah, no, umkhoti awuthami fede. But it doesn't mean manje abanye funeke ngingamengeli around nabo. So I always wanted to be namajito so that ngikwazi ukunderstand amajita better. Nase grounding kuba lula yabona uma understand umuntu ukuthi okay, lo muntu so because of this. Yabo, yeah.
So singasho uChenene yona ilokhuza.
Well, yes, Liza.
Yambona ngidribu.
Yes, Liza.
Yambona ngidribu.
Ayilekishile. Ayisele.
Methanda shibobo kuyambona. Yambona
slay. Ayazi kuphendula.
No, ayikuthi ngishilo uChenene bekuyibadi lami feri.
Umfundisi.
Uyena benigroova naye beniphila naye. Not group. Uyena benihamba naye off the field.
Yeah, wena ukhuluma ngegroove.
Ngikhanselile leyo. Uyena beninaye most of the time off the field.
Umkhoti mane ngicela ukungakhulumi ngomkhoti.
Afuna ukukhuluma ngaye.
Umfundisi manje.
Umfundisi manje.
Ngiyamhlonipha, ngimhloniphe even before. Phela uChenene ngibuya na kuMaZulu.
Sure.
Yeah, uChenene ngitshele, I'll tell you one thing that probably you don't know. I recommended uChenene kwiPirates. I will never say this publicly kungasi iqiniso. I was seated no Khotman uScreamer while we were waiting for uDarren. I think uDarren out the CFO Orlando Pirates, this Jewish guy. I don't know if it's Darren or I don't remember his name. So we were seated there for I let him print out a copy a contract. And then we screamed at man, ke batla left wing. Re batla left wing mo teaming and re batla mthotshisa. Now, Emma respect, I mean Emazulu. Bekuno Chenene bekuno soulmate. Yabona lezi ezithu lezi bezingena bengizazi ziyangena
from the left flank.
Yeah, I know because bebahlala so yabona omunye ngapha omunye ngapha and then bekune Trinity Ngwabeze futhi uSipho kuMaZulu. So those wingers bengiyazi ukuthi ayi competitive kakhulu. Nami bezingikayitha half time yabo. So uChenene usase intwana. Ele mina ngacabanga na manje intathe esikhuluma yona le ntwana ba ngichenene a Chenene kofi now
tena Sasolburg
now labe kule weekend besiphuma kuyo there were iTelkom mayizocala iSundowns was playing eMaZulu eMoses Muripi la usurprise Muriri wakora khona igoal from the center ama player wonke amaZulu angenile but i-goalkeeper ingekho emapalini angazi ngiyakhumbula
le incident incident
now igame yakhona ingathi iPirates idlale Saturday and then Sunday mina ngimbonile uScreamer la esutini yeready eyama player so mangithi Chenene ngadescribe ukuthi ubani uChenene intwana fast intwana yiyo adere kamthola intwana so uChenene had the same contract efana neyami ema respect but yena bekanayo kuMaZulu
okay
because mina noChanene besihlezi sikhuluma naye bekakhala ngesigning fee yakhe
Sure.
uthe signing fee yami hey nani nasekubadla
It's
ucama
not forthcoming.
yabona oh okay so
Available.
because of leyo information leyo ngamtshela uDaskrima entwana isoso wathi waka ngathi hayi kushap ngitabuya le yena uChanane ngikhulume naye kunelinye ihotele lapha eDurban North yalbo balibiza leli limhlophe leli
Not Hilton.
ya ngase tweet ngase yabona iOld Mhlanga Road
Okay, yes, I want.
kunelinye ihotela lapha
Yeah.
ngathatha uChanene ngaya naye lapho la mana ke shape around umkhoti re fihle re dule ra re nwe tee ya ke mlaitisa phela bekafika ku PSL ma bengimhlakaniphisa saya ra safika saxoxa indaba zethu wathi serious ngathi serious boy ngathi ma bazokufonela serious ithe mangibuya futhi full time ke manje eJozi ke ngibuye ukuthatha impahla zami nani sengibuye full time ke eJozi uDaskrima wamfonela I did not even know ukuthi Chanene ukhona ehotel la ngase SABC
Ake siphela isikhathi esesiqala ukusishaya ake sibheke nje lapha njengoba ngiyezwa lapha ukuthi ebeziba khona inkinga kulamaqembu othe wadlala kuona ama contract into zawo zingahlangani ake silapha esokhona lapha ekwi Orlando Pirates khona umdlalo oke wa mention la ngeke mention igama lakhe okwa mention okwagijima ekwi Orlando Pirates esake sezwa ikandala at some stage ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi wagcina exoshiwe kwi Orlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi umholo kwi-Orlando Pirates at that time wawungafiki ngeyikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi wakwenza some gestures even on national TV talking to the chairman ye-Pirates
ukuthi ucela isincane
ifuna imali at that time eyenza on national TV ama-players nge-celebration ama-players e-Pirates bengaholi imali ingafikile on time. Fast forward now to your time at that time, where ama-payments weni efika ngeyikhathi, or were there any stories la unthola ukuthi yi-30 nilindele payment jiki yi-31 yi-1 2 up to 15 emholo wenu anotholile
Baba, believe you me, I've never played for a team engihluphe ngesalary. I've never experienced a problem ye-salary on the due date of the payment.
Zahlala izimporo.
Hayi bezimporoma into nje beyikhona nje bekuyibonus nakhona ingajumpa maybe a day and then but isalary yona I've never had a problem.
Isikhathi okay ngixolise lapha isikhathi esiqala ukusiphikisa ake sizama ukuthi esithi ugijima kancane njengoba ugijima udlale lapha kwi Orlando Pirates. Let's just look at the current football status la in Africa at the moment. Mamelodi Sundowns, they had been dominating South African football for almost, I don't know, donkey years. Like they always say, numbers do not lie. They had won the league recently for the past 8 years on the trot. They've done it for the record 14 times. So surely numbers do not lie. Sundowns, they are the team of the moment in as far as South African football is concerned. Orlando Pirates, they've been a baza manyana lapana, and nakona numbers do not lie. They've always for the past 3 seasons, Orlando Pirates, they've been number 2 to Mamelodi Sundowns for the past 3 seasons on the trot. So my question is, moving forward to this season, 25-26 season, do you give Orlando Pirates any chance of toppling Mamelodi Sundowns from their sheer dominance that they've been displaying for the solid 8 years non-stop, especially in as far as the league is concerned?
The only thing was manage a team that was constantly playing until they were drained. Mangikhuluma ngobu drained and team management, ngikhuluma nge-rotation yama lineup, which was supposed to happen, but some players were exhausted, like
Pirates players.
Yeah, Pirates players, because begune reputation of one lineup all the time. Yes, it's fine. Untwana lo Umufukeng is a crowd puller and everyone ufuna ukumbona dlala. yabona, but at times efuneke maybe nama-friendly games
Mbeke phansi.
yeah nama-friendly game angadlali at times umnikeze i-off for 2 days inyana because udlala i-CAF ngapha i-national team duty ngapha i-club duty ama-cup uyangithola. So ngicabanga ukuthi with i-Pirates maybe ubaba uNcikazi is still having ama-match report wa previous season, then they can utilize that information ukuthi basebenzele this season ukuthi i-exhaustion yama-players, how do you prevent it, uyabona. It's a technical thing efuneke nje bayenze. Once they can get that right, I don't see Sundowns taking a league this season with what Pirates is having this season.
You touched on the point of which last season on the Pirates, they were not rotating their players. Gendlela right. Where am I going with this? You played for Orlando Pirates. I believe you know Ama dynamics at Orlando Pirates, luckily. Tina, last call, we've been hearing the stories. I'll call one of the names. Yeah, two names actually. The late Screamer Shabalala, Floyd Mbele. We heard the rumors which actually they were the people who were selecting a lineup Pirates. Those are the rumors we heard back then.
Okay.
Luckily, when you played with Pirates, you can share your knowledge. So now, fast forward to last season, you zoomed into that with the rotation was not done go Pirates. So are you pinpointing that thing to Jose Rivera, who was the coach of Pirates last season, or are you pinpointing to the whole management Orlando Pirates, considering those rumors that Tina, from where we are here, to scheme with Pirates as set a coach, set a management Pirates?
No, you are mistaking me there. I'm not speaking rumors. I'm speaking my observation.
Because ngiyazi une-inside info.
I'm entitled for my own opinion. Ngithi mina, as once and always legend, I'm following Pirates ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Into engiyibonile previous season, ngiyarepeata futhi. Pirates, they never utilized rotation yama players like constantly. There and there they were exhausting ama players. Now even ama errors noma bebadlala namanye ama team like Abu Pyramid ukuya ngami lama errors lawa abantu aba exhausted ayenziwa abantu aba exhausted in most cases. But akekho umuntu ozoyibona now because of Coach Ncikazi was part of the team previously. Probably he will advise as a member of a technical team. So, the point that I'm trying to say is that those are technical matters. If we consider a technical team, this is where we went wrong last season. We could have matched Sundowns, or at least if Besinga winanga a league, at least kube ne tie ama point but bese kuba ne goal difference ukuthi ba win title uyabo. Because i-Pirates at some point they lose against ama team afile, but you could pick up wena as someone okwazi ukubona mare these guys are exhausted, they need fresh legs.
So uyabona plain and short and simple into ekhulumayo uyikhuluma in a broader vision of football, but in simple terms is that Pirates bebengana depth.
No, they do have, but how do you? Yeah, they do have. How
to manage the workload?
Yeah, you
players.
must manage it.
The workload.
Yeah, you must look. Let me tell you one thing about the Sundowns. Back in the days, besingazi ukuthi ma uyodlala ne Sundowns and prepare against the Sundowns, bongayazi ukuthi kuzodlala bani. Even ngesikhathi sika Rulani, you could not know ukuthi bokuzodlala bani. But now it's predictable. The very same right back, which is Mudau, will play, and then uzobizwa futhi for national duty, and then uzoza futhi azodlala i-CAF ye club level, uzodlala futhi top 8. Now If you're smart enough, now
Manage the
I
workload.
can't teach you everything.
Manage the
If you're smart enough, you need someone with fresh legs to finish him.
Siyasho laphana isivakashi sethu laphana usho i-downfall ye-Orlando Pirates last season was to fail ukumanage i-workload yama-players yabo. Should uma bebekwazile ukwenza lokho, they could have given Mamelodi Sundowns a run for their money, push them down to the wire, and maybe ilaphana Mamelodi Sundowns gcine winile i-league at least on the goal difference as compared lokho ebilokhu kwenza Sundowns iwine i-league with 5-6 games to go. We can recall 2 seasons back they won the league with around about 7 games to go. To me, that is sheer dominance by Mamelodi Sundowns. And laphana Isiyasho Sivakashi said Ubongani Qashibuthi this season he expected Orlando Pirates to try and give Mamelodi Sundowns a run for their man at least. Uma sesivala laphana isikhathi asisekho okwangempela ngempela. Ngicela nje sithi nje ukuzuma kancane siqesheshe siphume fast. PSL Awards enzakalile esibonile Sipho China bewina laphana goalkeeper of the season, Nkosinathi Sibisi defender of the season. Laphana I was just to wrap up Masisivala, what is your take in as far as the PSL Awards are concerned? Ube mfishane nje isikhathi sesisishayile.
Okay. I have nothing against Ama Awards. Those players that are accumulated, they got Ama reward for Ama effort. That's what I can say.
Do you think they deserve?
Everyone deserves into akayisebenzele. I have nothing against anyone.
No, you don't have to be when against everyone. Let's go back to some years back, the days of Aboy Itumeleng Khune and Tiko Modise. There was a big fight at some stage. If I recall, I think Tiko Modise won it. Remind me, that Tiko Modise won the player of the season. The whole country was up in arms. It was supposed to be Itumeleng Khune.
Yeah.
So one way or another, the country was divided. So when it comes, fast forward to 2025, so surely that element of division, your country, again, when it comes to awards, that division will be there. Not necessarily Ubongani Qashibe, the country at large.
Yeah.
So now talk to us about the awards that we witnessed. Are you happy with the winners? Are you in agreement with all the winners, whoever that was?
Agreement or not, it has been a continuous thing. Masuluki scored a brilliant goal, a bicycle kick, Gui goalkeeper atati risk, and then he scored a beautiful equalizer. And then that goal was nominated Futi abroad. And then Ushabas Piwe Chabala Lumganwam, as an infield player, wakora a goal, and he was awarded Ilokuza, goal of the season. So I'm not against anyone. I'm saying if abantu bavotela into bayithandayo akube njalo.
Mara, do you think kunabantu bavotile or what? Because now Usbo la yakhona asithathe lana siyeke goalkeeping department, middle defense, striking ne. The best middle fielder ubani Upen Mutswana.
Yes.
Do you think he deserves it?
No, don't laugh. You can put question.
No,
No, sharp.
Sure.
No, my take is that. My take is that. I repeat, if guys that are accumulated are given a reward, wabo, let it be. And I'm grateful with at least at the end of the season, kunabantu that benefited. Yabona ukuya ngomsebenzi yabo.
Sorry man, ase Ben Mutshwari makhahleni.
Yes, Mahawule makusebenzile. Mamela, at this age, let us be honest, I'm not speaking because I'm once and always. I'm speaking because of work rate yakhe. Yeah, age yakhe. I mean, he's the pillar in the middle of the park, Orlando Pirates. Wonke la machita baphila because of yena, because into akayenzayo enhle kakhulu is to regain position for Orlando Pirates. If udlalile ibhola kungakhathalazeki ukuthi udlale kuyiphi division, the most difficult thing about football is to defend. And if you can get someone who's exceptional regain position, that person
and Mahawule is doing that pretty well. Esikhathi esiyasiphikisa lapha emasisivala lapha ingxoxo yethu Ubongani Qashibe njengamanje, what is it busy with khona la?
Okay, I'm a sports coach, but for now ngimisile because I still need to attend some courses
Okay.
as E2, and then I will focus on my duty.
Okwamanje
When I'm done.
yashintsha ukuthi kwamanje isathathe laphana ikhefu sekwi-break khona nje into encane sayihlanganisa mayibuya uzobuya laphana alandele ilokhuza i-call yakhe yebhola ekwi-DNA yakhe lento there's nothing that you can do about it. It is in the DNA. He will always bounce back and get back to football. Laphana masesivala makukhona umuntu ofuna ukuthinta ubongani icashe what does one go about contacting you utholakala ukhona ku social media or kuthinteka
Yeah,
kanje?
ngikhona kwi-social media kwi-Facebook ngiyatholakala Bongani Cash B, and then ngiyatholakala futhi ku-TikTok the Cash B, ngiyatholakala futhi kuwo wonke lama social platforms ngikhona lapho.
Cash B, CASH.
The Cash B, yeah, Cash B Facebook CASHBE. There's no I there.
Okay.
And then on others DECASHBE.
Sibonga kakhulu bongani lapha ngesikhathi sakho laphana i-crew our crew ayisekho happy at all ngenxa sesigani mancile laphana esikhathini sabo sibonga kakhulu bongani ukuthi sinikeze ithuba lokuthi esihlale phansi sibe nengxoxo nawe Bhutisa.
Ngiyabonga nani nisaleni kahle. Thank you.
Lebza
hayi Ntshaka sirep ne thank
Yeah.
you Ntshaka mara ayisifile enhleki yabo
Yeah.
but
Okay.
uyayibona
uyishilo Lebza laphana ukuthi ayipheli amadoda ayipheli uzoba khona laphana part 2 will hold him accountable to that. Once again, if you are watching our episode for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better share this episode. Like they always say, the more the merrier. Let's do this once again next time. Till then, from Sports Geek with Sponelo Ngoba and Lebo Dihlage, it is bye bye.
yeah.